In this video we will see the difference between Mac and personal computers. The short form of Mac is Macintosh, whereas PC stands for personal computers. Mac was first introduced in 1984, whereas first personal computer was introduced in 1981. Macintosh is referred to any computer produced by Apple, and personal computer is referred to running Windows, Linux operating system. Macintosh are manufactured by Apple and personal computers are manufactured by several companies like Dell, Asus, HP and many more. Mac computers are more costly as compared to personal computers, and personal computers are cheaper as compared to Mac computers. Not as many games are made for Macintosh computers, but the library of games available for personal computers. In Macintosh we have Intel microprocessors, and in personal computers we have either Intel or AMD microprocessors. Mac OS is used in Macintosh computers, and in personal computers we use Windows and Linux operating system. Operating system activation is not required for Mac computers, but operating system activation is required to run personal computers. Macintosh computers is less customizable, but personal computers are more customizable as compared to Macintosh. User cannot overclock Macintosh computers, but user can overclock personal computers, depends on CPU and motherboard. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.